In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Google Chrome on Windows 11. We're going to use the official and simplest method, the one recommended by Google, so you can remove Chrome cleanly and without confusion. First, make sure Chrome is completely closed. If you still see any Chrome windows or tabs open, close them now so Windows can proceed without interruptions. Next, click the Start menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, go to Apps, then select Installed Apps. This is where Windows lists everything you've installed. Find Google Chrome in the list. If your list is long, take a moment to look carefully so you don't remove the wrong app. When you see Google Chrome, look to the right for the three dots icon and click it. Choose Uninstall, and when Windows asks you to confirm, click Uninstall again. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes to allow the change. After that, Windows will remove Chrome from your computer. If it uninstalls smoothly, you're done. However, it's common for the process to fail if Chrome is still running in the background. That can happen even if no browser window is visible, because some background processes keep working to speed up launches or handle updates. If you see that Chrome won't uninstall, don't worry. Here's the quick fix. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In the list of processes, find Google Chrome. If there are multiple Chrome items, that's normal. Right-click Google Chrome and choose End Task. This stops any background processes that were blocking the uninstall. Now return to Settings and repeat the uninstall steps. Open Apps, go to Installed Apps, find Google Chrome, click the three dots, choose Uninstall, confirm Uninstall again, and select Yes if prompted. In most cases, that resolves the issue immediately. A few important notes before we wrap up. Your bookmarks and browsing history may remain on your device unless you delete them manually later, so don't be surprised if you see leftover data in user folders after uninstalling. Also, if you've been signed into Chrome, much of your data such as bookmarks and passwords may still be saved in your Google account and can sync back when you reinstall. And if you are uninstalling Chrome to troubleshoot problems, like a persistent white screen, reinstalling it later is a valid way to reset things and often fixes those issues. That's it. You've learned the clean, official way to uninstall Google Chrome on Windows 11, plus how to handle the most common hiccup if it won't uninstall at first.